Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. No money, be like. No money moments happens to almost everyone. They can be challenging, but they can also inspire creativity, gratitude, and a good sense of humor. 1. Time to check the couch. Cautions. Reason. Every little bit counts. 2. Homemade meals becomes 5-star dining. Reason. Cooking at home saves money and can be fun. 3. Window shopping only. Reason. Looking is free. 4. Water is today's fancy drink. Reason. Staying hydrated is always a smart choice. 5. Movie night at home wins. Reason, good company makes any movie better. 6. Walking becomes the VIP transportation. Reason, it's a free, great exercise. 7. Creativity goes into overdrive. Reason, challenges often spark great ideas. 8. Free sunsets are still amazing. Reason, nature's beauty doesn't cost a thing. 9. Laughter is still unlimited. Reason, smiles and laughter are free. 10. Family time becomes priceless. Reason, love isn't measured by money. 11. Dreams stay fully funded. Reason, dreaming big is always free. 12. Library adventure begin. Reason, knowledge is a valuable investment. 13. Even save coins feel like treasure. Reason, small savings grow over time. 14. Kindness becomes your richest gift. Reason, kindness never goes out of style. 15. Goals stay on the schedule. Reason, determination costs nothing. 16. Enjoy the simple things. Reason, happiness often comes from everyday moments. 17. Patience becomes a superpower. Reason, better opportunities can come with time. 18. Keep learning new skills. Reason, skills can open future opportunities. 19. Never give up. Reason, persistent helps move forward. 20. No money today doesn't mean no success tomorrow. Reason, hard work, hope, and perseverance can lead to brighter days. Money is useful, but it isn't only the measure of success. A positive attitude, good character, creativity, and perseverance. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.